Mr. Siren, come on, let's go. Let's go. You're staying inside.
Inside.
Oh.
I'm gonna be honest for a second. I thought it was the thing.
Why are you saying about
Yeah,
the
it's a-
emergency? Kids who must say an emergency. Let me go check.
Oh my god, what is that?
Do Edwin. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Can you say or look it? What's happening, Siren? Emergency. What happened? What happened? To the emergency? Emergency? Guys, we have the emergency. Emergency. Guys, hurry. The emergency has come to speak true. Kids, help me. Emergency. This is not the emergency. Not anymore. Not a emergency. Not an emergency. But listen, that's not a concern. What I can say about this? Why are you crazy? What's happening? Was it the sirens go off? Oh my god. This is stupid. Is it not outside? A play outside of me? Outside? Hey. Why are you saying? Why are you saying? Why are you saying? Do you know the idea? Do you know the idea? This tested up the emergency. Emergency. You see? It's good. This test of why did you say twin pop? You this. No, stop it.